but this is the awesomest! Watch that steel in the sky! Steel awesome!
What about my project?
Don't worry. Back soon. Boom! I guess I should bring Toot's project back to her. In a minute, yeah! Let's see. What would Steel do right now?
Help! Somebody please help!
He'd help. That's what he'd do.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
There's a pothole and I can't get through!
This is the worst thing that has ever happened to anyone! Is that still awesome?
Grappling hook, go!
Is that your anti-gravity beam? It is! Steel Awesome is lifting me with his anti-gravity beam! Woohoo! This is the best thing that has ever happened to... Oh, it's over. Thank you, Steel Awesome!
Whoa! Are you sure about this?
It's your only chance to turn around!
I stopped! And I'm going again! Look out!
All right, now you're going the other way!
That's perfect! The construction site is this way.
Rev on!
Thank you, magic flying traffic light!
Hey, kids!
Have you seen Ricky?
I'm almost there!
What was that?
This is fun! Almost there! Way! Yay!
I can't get in! What do I do? What do I do?
Ricky, we're here to help.
Okay, guys, all together. Stop and look for a way in.
I'll check the roof. Zoom cam, go!
There's a window on the roof.
If I can get in through that, I could fix the garage door motor.
Great idea, DJ. Deputy Bike Buddies are fine. Single file, everybody.
Zoom cam, stay on DJ. Ready?
Huh? You are built heavy. Leave it alone.
get a picture from Zoom Cam. It's too dark.
I'll use my zoom visor and sound detector. Yes, I can fix this. That should do it. DJ's almost fixed the door motor. Now I'll pull this lever and open the door. Oh, yes!
Officer Bunker!
Can I do something? I can help.
Ricky, can you wait over there with your friends? We've got this under control.
Staying out of the way. Some movie star I am.
Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks, Hank. Thanks, Helen. Even faster than last time. Oh, that'll probably be Blip. That boy's a chip off the old motorbike.
I hope this helped your movie. See you at home, kids.
OK then, back to my deliveries.
Watch out! There's a pothole! Mum! Dad!
They're gone. You can do it, Ricky.
Me?
You are a...
Rescue bike. Of course I am. I have to help if I can. Ricky to the rescue! Grappling hook. Go!
Oh!
Hang on. I'll get you out of there.
Don't film me. Film Ricky.
Okay, I'm getting it. Thanks, Toot. Oh, this is good stuff. He really is pretty awesome.
There we go. Again. Thanks, Ricky.
Hey, Toot. Want to finish the movie with me? You know what to say.
Okay, guys, just relax. Today we're going to see how well you work together in rescue situations.
Yep, we've got some pretend rescue jobs for you to do, complete with a bike to rescue.
Hell! Great acting, Blip. I'm not acting. This branch is scrunching my spokes.
Boy, he's really good.
If you can complete these tasks, you'll all get your rescue badges.
Let's zoom!
Buddies, go!
Yeah, done! Rev on! Now let's rescue Blip!
Help!
I've got it! We totally did it! Gonna get our badges! Tire bomb! What?
We did it?
Don't worry, gang. We'll set everything up again and you can give it another try.
But we passed the tests already.
We did? I was pretty sure all I did was crash a bunch of times.